Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to today's video where I show you only 2 ingredients for faster hair growth, guys. This one is going to prevent dry scalp. It's going to grow your hair 3 times faster, guys. You're going to experience drastic change instantly after you start using this oil. This oil is everything. Just 2 ingredients and very accessible and affordable, so stay tuned to the very end because look at these results, guys. This is from tiny once application and my hair feels this lightweight, this soft, this lengthy and this manageable, guys. So you want to get this experience for yourself, be sure to watch this video to the very end because they have pack of information that I'll be sharing as I keep on showing you how to make this for yourself. For the ingredients, you're going to be using fresh okras. Some people ask me if they could use frozen okra, but I'll say no, don't use frozen okra because you're going to add so much water to your oil, so you're not going to use that. Get your fresh okras like this, okay? Benefits of using okras on your hair, guys. Okra has sleep and it's going to define your hair. Though on this recipe we're going to use it for the scalp most importantly. Also, okra is good at promoting glow to your hair and softness to your hair, so your hair is going to feel really good and really luxe, you know what I'm saying. It's also going to fight dandruff because we're focusing this oil to the scalp, so it's going to fight dandruff, it's going to fight itchy scalp, it's going to fight dryness on the scalp. So okra has moisture and it's going to help a lot on the scalp, guys. Also, this okras works really well when it comes to conditioning the hair and restores damage, guys. So there's a lot with okra. Next ingredients, we have this infused oil. This infused oil is a combo of 3 powerful herbs that I did here on my channel, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description box and up in the cards on how I detailed infuse this oil. But to say a few and the list is I used 3 herbs here, which is the neem, the aloe vera and the lemongrass to infuse this potent hair growth oil, guys. As you already know, lemongrass is amazing because it treats dandruff, it alleviates oily hair and scalp by reduction of production of excess oil in the scalp. So it's going to add a lot of shine to your hair but maintaining the production of sebum. Also, it's going to strengthen your hair follicles and hence fight hair losses. It's rich in iron. Aloe vera pieces you see over here has fatty acid, amino acid. They are rich in vitamins. They have vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, and all these play a huge part when it comes to healthy hair follicles. Aloe vera has many active ingredients that's going to help strengthen your hair and to control grease on your hair. So it has this enzyme that breaks down fats that's going to strip any excess oil to your hair, the sebum. That's what I'm talking about. But also we have the neem here, and the neem has a lot, has protein, has calcium, has phosphorus, has vitamin C, has keratin, has fatty acid and also amino acid, and they're good at treating dandruff, minimizing gray hair, soothing frizzy, conditioning the scalp, and overall promoting healthy hair growth, guys. So let's recap for this making of this oil. Since you are all familiar with these two ingredients that you're going to use to make this potent hair growth oil, let me just throw in more benefits of these okras. Okras contain vitamins and contains calcium, ions, manganese, zinc, potassium, also has vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, and has high quality fibers and of course antioxidant, and they're full of protein. So how to make this okra oil? You're going to use a funnel. Don't waste that potent, it's not worth it wasting. Use a funnel so you don't pour out your oils. And of course add your oil. I'm using 250 ml oil to make this oil, and I'm also adding in the okra into my mason jars so that I can infuse them using my favorite way of not wasting the ingredients, which is the double boiler method. You can let it infuse longer. Just put it on the dark place for a week or so, or strain it and use it. Either way, it's already potent and it's going to work the same way. So I use this on my mama's hair because I was putting her hair in African threading method, which this protective style in general always dry out the hair. So if you're going in for a protective style that's going to dry out your hair, this oil is what you should look out for, guys. Okay, don't ignore this. It's going to help a lot and it's going to have a drastic change once you implement it. Again, I did not just use that on my mama's hair, I also used it on my own hair as a hot oil treatment and bunch of other ways that I'm going to share. So I want to encourage you to subscribe. But the results, I'm still shocked. My hair looks very healthy, very lengthy, very voluminous, very lightweight, and it's a lot of stuff. Click the video on the screen because there I share a whole playlist where I show you how to use this okra. So go ahead and enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the video. Until next time, bye bye.